You actually put it in a higher low on the RSI, which means you're technically in a trend reversal. First time that you've been in a trend reversal or bullish on the RSI since December 8th top, guys. So almost an entire month, and you're finally seeing some sort of reversal. The WTX as well put in a higher low, and we're starting to see a reversal to the upside. And the big one, guys, the big one, the stock RSI, the blue crossed over the orange. So we have so much momentum geared up for us, so much moon juice stocked away and ready to go, that I believe this run up here is to be the one that breaks us out of this downtrend and sends us higher. Now, if we do break out, obviously we have other resistance areas to contend with. We have $1.30, we have $1.67, and then that one that we talked about, $2.35. I think right now, Aerodrome on the day chart, on the longer term time frame, is looking fantastic. It looks like a perfect time to pick some up. Not financial advice, but all the indicators are looking primed. We're holding solid at that $1 support level. We're testing that downtrend resistance area. We have all the indicators behind us to push us through that resistance area as well. So I am going to give this a stamp of approval. I think Aerodrome is finally going to be working towards breaking out of its prior highs it experienced of $2.35. Now, if we draw the lifelong fib from the high to the low here, this is the big one. The big one. We got to get over that 786, boys. We got to get over a $12, $13. We get over that, that would confirm to me. That would definitely confirm to me that we're finally breaking out of this downtrend right here. You can see we're currently at it right now. We're testing it right now. We break above this, we break above that, man. That means all ignitions launch and we can start working our way to the upside. So Aerodrome, in the next couple days or so, I think we could see a breakout here. Now, the short term, like I mentioned, it is a little bit more shaky. It's a little bit more volatile up, down in the short term. But in the long term, if you're like one of those buy and hold type people, you're about ready to reap your rewards here in the next couple days or so, because I think this is about ready to break out. We can start seeing some bullish momentum to the upside. Now, let's see what the week chart kind of tells us. Yeah, the week chart as well, man. This kind of confirms it for me. This definitely confirms it for me. The week chart looks awesome. We actually just crushed over bullish on the week chart on the stock RSI. Absolutely insane. Last time we crossed over bullish on the stock RSI on the week chart was right here on September 9th. And that was this initial run up right here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I mean, we did have one right here as well, and you can see what happened. We ran up there right here. So we just crossed over and we're testing a resistance area. I think this is the push that's going to bring this up to $5. I think Aerodrome is on the cusp of breaking out on the week chart and working its way up to $5. Now, you're not going to get to $5 overnight. It could take a little while because each one of these candles is a week, but the overall momentum for Aerodrome should be more bullish than bearish for the next couple weeks, guys. If we break out of this resistance area, which I strongly believe we are, guys. This is the pivotal moment here. It's a pivotal moment. Day chart's looking solid. Indicators reset. Week chart looks fantastic. I showed you on the week chart, every time that stock RSI crosses over, we see substantial gains. How large of gains actually were those when we crossed over? Let's see. That was the weekly. When we crossed over right here, that was Aerodrome getting a 3.5x. Prior to that, when we crossed over, we got a 2x. So if we got a 2x and we got a 3.5x, we should be getting a 4 or 5x on the next push up. Which, if we do that, 4 or 5x, look at that, 4 or 5x brings you right to that 1, 2, 3, 6 at $5.30. So we should be experiencing the next leg higher for Aerodrome after this month-long consolidation to the downside. So overall, guys, it's looking fantastic. I'm going to give this a stamp of approval. I think we're going to be breaking out here very, very soon for Aerodrome. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.